Hi, I'm Dr. Geethika, dental sleep medicine specialist and a health and wellness coach. Did you know that driving drowsy is as bad as driving drunk? If you are feeling excessively sleepy behind the wheels, this could be because of obstructive sleep apnea. So, obstructive sleep apnea is when there is some kind of obstruction in your upper airway, which leads to insufficient oxygen during the night. So, and this happens when a person lies down during sleep and there's some kind of obstruction in their upper airway and they do not get enough oxygen because of that. So, what the body tends to do is it tends to wake up and we will gasp for air. And many of the times we wouldn't even know that we're doing this. Because of which, the very next day, though we've slept for enough number of hours, we have not, our body is not rested, and we've waken up for oxygen, we're tired, and the tiredness continues towards the next day. So it could lead to a lot of other diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and in case someone is suffering from it already, it can even exaggerate it. So it leads to an overall systemic inflammation. So when we're talking regarding the road traffic accidents and sleep apnea and how it's related, so research shows that when someone on the wheels, when someone's driving and they have sleep apnea, they're not rested throughout the night, because of which they're drowsy. And when they are drowsy behind the wheels, this leads to road traffic accidents. And this risk is increased when their BMI is high. BMI is basically calculated with your weight, height, and age. And there are two other factors, which is known as an apnea-hypopnea index, or AHI. So this is basically the number of pauses that happens in your breath when you're sleeping. And another thing known as oxygen saturation, where how much oxygen is there in your blood is measured. And these two are measured only through a sleep study. So when a person undergoes a sleep study, we can diagnose them with sleep apnea as well. And when all these three factors are there and a person already has, sleep apnea, they tend to be at a higher risk of meeting with a road traffic accident. So, if you tend to snore, or if you notice your bed partner snoring, or if you're feeling tired throughout the day, or if you've noticed, or if you yourself or your friend or anyone you care about feeling drowsy behind the wheels, it's time you get them checked for sleep apnea. And if you need any assistance, you can reach out to us at Rajan Dental and take your first step.